Welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about digital signature. After discussing about cryptography and firewall, it is very important to discuss about digital signature, which is also one of the important security tools with respect to e-commerce. Now let's see what is a digital signature. A digital signature is an electronic verification of the sender. A digital signature guarantees the authenticity of an electronic document or message in digital communication and uses encryption techniques to provide proof of original and unmodified documentation. A digital signature uses asymmetric cryptography, which means public key algorithm is used. Digital signatures are commonly used for software distribution, financial transactions, and wherever it is important to detect forgery and tampering. Since digital signatures are capable of verifying the authentication and also the integrity of the information, it is mainly being used in places where there is a need for detection of forgery and tampering. Now let's see how it works. The document or the message sender or a public or private key supplier shares the public key with the end user. Since digital signature uses asymmetric cryptography, a sender creates two different keys, a public key and a private key. A private key is left with the sender, whereas the public key is sent to the receiver. The sender uses his private key, appends the encrypted signature to the message or the documents. The end user decrypts the document and verifies the signature, which lets the end user to know that the document is from the original sender. Let's go back and see from this diagram how the digital signature works. A sender who needs to send an information hashes the plain text using hashing algorithm and creates a digest that is otherwise called as an hash value. Then this hash value is getting encrypted using a private key and that becomes a digital signature. Once the digital signature is done, both the digital signature and the plain text is sent to the receiver. On receiving, the receiver uses the public key which is given to him or her by the sender, uses that key to decrypt the digital signature to get the digest back. Once the digest is getting decrypted using the private key, along with the digest, he or she can also see the message which the sender has sent to them. So this verifies the authentication. In case the receiver wants to check the integrity of the message, the receiver can once again run or hash the plain text which he or she has received and try to find out the resultant digest is same as what he or she has got after decrypting the digital signature from the sender. So by doing so, we can assure both authentication and integrity of the information with respect to digital signatures. Now let's see what are the different uses of digital signatures. Digital signature helps in authentication. A digital signature gives the reason to believe that the message was created and sent by the claimed sender. Non-repudiation. With the digital signature, the sender cannot deny having sent the message later. Integrity. A digital signature ensures that the message was not altered in transit. Thank you.